right now again. All right, that's the number one. Okay, it is okay. That's fine. All right, 2023. So we have a polynomial expressions. In simplest form is what there's no like terms, and also it should be possibly descending order, right? Which is a standard form. Okay, that is a simplification. Okay, the first one we can expand this one because there are many like terms there. I think 2x times x is what 2x squared, and 4 times 2 is 8x. The next one is minus 3x. You know that, right? Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. Okay? Yeah, because we have two like terms, still it is not simplest form. Okay? Simplest form is no more like terms. And also descending order, okay? That is a standard form. 2x squared, 8x minus 3x is 11x, and minus 15. No more like terms. The order is a descending order, right? 2, 1, constant. This is a standard form, okay? So choice 1 is the simplest form. Okay. I think number 1 is okay. Number 2, 3 and W on the graph over here. If we have a graph over here. This is a graph. Y-intercept is 7 and slope is 2x. That's a slope is 2x. 1 right, 2 up, right? 2, 1 means what? 1 right, 2 up. That's the graph. So 3W is on this one. It should be on this line over here. 3. That means what? When you put this number 3 into the x, you'll get the y coordinate, which is W. Okay, W equals, put this number x is 3 there, 2 times 3 and plus 7. That is the variable y, which is y coordinate of point. So this one equals to 13. It's okay? Alright, 13 is the answer. Okay, let me check with you. Yeah, that's right. 2 over 1, that's the slope. That means what? 1 unit right, 2 unit up. 2 unit up. 1 unit right, 2 unit up. That is the next point. You can continue to find another point. 1 unit right, 2 unit up. 1 unit right, 2 unit up. Okay? That's the way we can make graph there. It's okay? That's right. Or you can use, right, y is first. Okay? From here to 2 unit right, that is vertical, right? That is vertical, that is horizontal. Plus is up, minus is down. This is plus is right, minus is left. This is plus is 2 unit up, 1 unit right. It's the same point. You can go this way or this way. Either way is okay. Okay? Okay, very good. Good questions. Okay, that's good questions. Number 3. Yeah, some students ask to write this one instead. Oh, I told you what the standard form. Standard form is what? Descending order. Okay, descending order. Highest degree first, and descending order means what? Highest degree, the next one, up to the what? Constant. This is highest degree. 2x cubed must be highest degree. So Alex and Eric out. That's right? No. Oh, this is over here. 2x cubed over here, right? But that is not standard form anyway. Second term is what? 4x squared. Second term is 4x squared. But this is not. Keep continue. Last one is degree 1 and constant. Ryan is correct. Okay, that is descending order in standard form. Okay, Ryan is correct. The number 4 function is given by the equation. What is the value of f over negative 2? What that means? When x equals negative 2, what is y? This is the value of y. Okay, now put this number negative 2 in there. F over negative 2. That is, we're going to find this value, right? This is the value of y coordinate. Negative 3, negative 2 squared, and plus 10. That is negative 12 and plus 10, which is negative 2 is the y coordinate. So this graph looks like this way. Y-intercept is 10, the graph is open downward, right? Downward. So when x is negative 2, where is the negative 2? Over here. Y is also negative 2 over here, okay? That's the number 4. Alright, number 5. Which relation is a function? What are the functions? One value of x value has what? Only unique value. Only one value of y. One y value. If you have two y values, that is not a function. That's impossible. The system is wrong, okay? If this is system device, when you print over here any value of x, output should be 1 there, only 1. This is 1. If we choose y equals second one, 2 over there, another. That's impossible, right? That is wrong. This device is wrong designed. That's why it is not called y function, okay? Only one value of y output. So check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all different. Y can have any number. It doesn't matter, okay? Yeah, y can be any numbers. This is a function, isn't it? Check it out over here. Input is 2. Check it out why some input has 2 same value there. Yep, 7 and 7. For x value is 7, there are 2 different values of y, 3 and 5. That is not a function, impossible. Right? Impossible. This is 7, is 1 is 3, the other one is 5. That's wrong. For examples, at 7 o'clock, I'm going to use this time. At 7 o'clock, what is temperature? Temperature degree 3 and degree 5. That's impossible. At one time, hour, 1 times hour has only one temperature, okay? This is impossible. But this is not real, okay? That's why that is not functions. Domain over here, this x, only one, but this one is error diagram, mapping, this we said mapping diagram. So the what the xy relation we use order the pairs, remember over here. Order the pairs, graph, table, and mapping diagram. That's 4 different ways to show the relation, okay? But this one is when you make the line over here, this value of x, we have 2 different values of y. This circle is not a function. It's okay? This line is called, we said, vertical line test. When you have a graph, you can use vertical line test. Okay? This graph, vertical line is always only 1 point. Yep, this is a function. But circle is not a function, okay? Just the relations. We said this is just relations. All right, number 6, box plot. Or sometimes we said box and whisker plot. This is a box, this is whisker, okay? All right. But over here, in the box, this part, the middle line, this is the median over there, okay? This is what first quartile. We use first quartile Q1 or lower quartile, many name over here, okay? Q1 first quartile, Q1 or first quartile, and the lower quartile or 25% quartile meaning. This is what? Second quartile. You said Q2. This is the median, right? You can say 50% quartile. This is the per quartile. Q3. Okay, 75%. When you have data over here, many data. So you make this one is what? Divide by half. This is the median. So we're gonna find another median to the left. We have two different groups over here, okay? Using the medians, we make two groups, okay? The lower end group, okay? Lower group is another median over here, right? This is the first quartile. First quartile is what? Also median of first group. Now second group over here, another median over here. That is the third quartile. This is what? Second quartile. Right? Let's make a box over here. And this is what? Maximum. This is the minimum. This is the box plot. Okay? So third quartile, where is it? Over here. This is the third quartile. This you gotta be careful, right? The scale over here. This is 2 over here. 34, 36, 38. Okay? So each unit has 2. So that is 36 is the third quartile, okay? Sometimes they're asking you the range of this one. Okay, difference of first quartile and third quartile is called by interquartile range. Interquartile range is very useful to find the outlier, okay? Later we can do this one. This is the maximum of data is 46, minimum of data is 14, okay? This length is called interquartile range. 36, this is 18, minus first quartile 18. 18 is interquartile range. But this time third quartile is 36 is the answer, okay? Number 7. What is the solution? This is algebra equations. You're gonna find the value of A, satisfy the equations. This is very easy one, right? You can see the A is what? First degree, so we need the separations. 2 plus 6A plus 3 equals what? 3A plus 6. Simplify this one first. 6A plus 5 and 3A plus 6. Now separation. Okay, because this is the linear, right? Variable terms and constant terms should be separated. Minus 3 is out. This is 3A. Minus 5 out. This is 1. After that, divided by 3. That's the solution. Okay? 1/3 is a solution. Number there. Let me see. Y is what is a function? Oh, this one, okay. Because what? Only one, you can take it out. When x is 1, y is 3. Only one value, right? No other one there. When x is 2, y is 1 there. Only one value. When x is 3, still 1 there. Only one value. When x is 4, that is 7 over here. Only one value over here. Every value of x has only one value of y over here, okay? This is a function. You understand? Okay, that's the function. The number 8, one Saturday afternoon, 3 friends decide to keep track of the number of text messages they received each hour from 8 a.m. to noon, okay? Period about 4 hours. So how many number of text messages? Emily said the number of text messages she received increased by 8 each hour. Okay, all right. Jessica said the number of messages she received doubled. Each hour is 8, the next one is 16, the next one is 24, something like that. This is the number. Increased by same numbers over here. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Second one is double. We start over here. 8. Double is the next one is 16. Double again is 32. So times 2 times 2 times 2. This is a common ratio that is geometric, right? This is geometry. The graph is exponential, right? This is about same number, linear. Chris is what? Receive 3 messages per hour, 10 the second. Third one is 15. Take out their plus is what? 7 plus 5. Getting decreased. Okay? Alright. Using this one, which of the friend response best classify the number of messages that received each hour as a linear function? Linear is what? Increased with the same numbers. It's okay? That is linear, right? Emily is linear. Chris is not linear. Different numbers over here. So number 1 is correct. If you have a question, you text me, okay? All right, number 9. Which expression is equivalent this one? Take a look. What is the equivalent? For any value of x, it has the same value of y. Okay, same value. Or maybe you can transform this one using the what? One terms there. X plus 4 is what? Common factors. So the exponent, right? X plus 4, same base. Exponent will be addition. 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay? That's the answer. Or for any value of x, they have the same value of output. You can use simply x equals 0. When x equals 0, 4 square, 4 cube, 4 to the 5 is what? Resulting numbers. Put this number, x equals 0, 4 to the 6, x equals 0, 4 to the 5, x equals 0, 16, 6, x equals 0, 16, 5. Which one is equal to this one? This one. Or you can check it out this way too. That is, we said equivalent. Okay? Alright, number 10, we have ax squared. A is a positive integer, maybe look like this one. Graph is open, abort. Okay, Caitlin multiplies by negative 2. Negative 2 is a negative 2 means what? Times 2 over here. First we'll try this one, 2ax squared. 2 is what? Vertical stretch. 2 times over here. This is 1, 2 times. This is 1, 2 times. The graph looks like this one, right? This is we said stretch. But looks like a narrow, right? Yeah, it's gonna be narrow. But this time minus is what? Reflection over x-axis. Okay? The graph is what? Downward. Okay? Open, downward. Narrow and open downward is this. Okay? Wider. Wider over here. This is before, after going down. This is wider. We said compressed or shrink. Okay. All right, number 11. Sonny purchased a new car for $29,873. The car depreciated, getting down 20% annually. 20% annually is what? Exponential. percent increasing or decreasing, always exponential. How looks like this one? 29873. This is the initial. 20% down means always 1 minus. Increase is 1 plus. 0.2 in decimal, right? 20%. And the t over here, right? That is the exponential functions. This is the rate, okay? Not 0.8 is not rate. 0.2 is rate, but use what percentage, 20% decrease. We set decay rate. Okay. Then what is 0.8? This is a decay factor, okay? Different name there. Decay factor is less than 1, that is decreasing, okay? Where is the answer? Here. For what value of x? Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, yours? I think it's my point. All right, number 12. So some value of x, they are equal, okay? You write them equals x squared plus 2x and plus 1, that is equals 7x minus 5. Because at this point, the value of y is equal. This value of x, this value of g, they are equals. Okay, put this number, substitution, right? Not solve this one. Quadratic is what? We need a standard form. Standard form, one side is 0, okay, in quadratic. X squared minus 7x and negative 5x plus 5 plus 5 is plus 6 equals 0. This is we said standard form. Always we need this one to factor this one, okay? This is a factorable. How can you factor? X minus 2, x minus 3 equals 0, okay? Check it out. Negative 2 times negative 3 is what? Positive 6. You gotta make sure, okay? Not this one. Okay? This is negative 6 times 1 is negative 6. This is positive 6, okay? This is a confused one. Many students, okay? But at this time, what the solutions? X equal 2 and x equal 3. For this value of x, they are equal value of y. That is okay. This is the graph. This one is 2, the other one is 3, okay? The same value of y there. All right, number 13. Okay, scalar amount loan in summer, the function f of x is used to model the amount of money earned, where x is the number of loans. X value, complete amount. A reasonable domain, what is domain? X value. That is domain. But this x value is what? Integer, right? It can be 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. That is the number of okay? Number of what? Loans. Okay? 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this number? You're gonna choose what the best number of here, okay? Real is what? Negative number also, that is not. Rational is what? Fractional. Irrational is what? It can be. Natural number, this is natural number we use, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. But sometimes this is a natural number, okay? This is a natural number. Including 0 over here, we set whole number. But you can choose a natural or whole number, okay? But we got the natural number over here, choose this one, that's the answer. Okay, so whole number is what? 0 plus natural number, okay? Natural number is called like counting number too. When you count the money, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Or positive integer, okay? Natural number is what? Another way is positive integer, okay? All right, number 14. Which expression is equivalent to this one? When you take a look, scan, just scan over, they are all what? Complete factor. You can factor this one, or check it out. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna factor this one. Every term has 2, that is common is 2, right? They're all 2 out. You can see that over here. So 2 is out. Inside the parentheses, x squared plus 4x minus 5. After you can factor this one. The sum of two numbers is 4 and the product negative 5. What is that? 5 and negative 1, right? So where is this answer? Choice 1 is the answer, okay? All right, number 15. The guy threw a ball up in the sky, in the air, and let it fall to the ground. The height of ball, ht. And modeled by the equation of ht, the height is expressed in terms of time t. Okay? Yeah. T is what? Seconds. Height is in feet. The number 3. What is this number 3? What it means in the context? When t equals 0, the value of t, right? When t equals 0, the value of t over here. Initial height of the ball, right? Initial height of the ball. What is the height from which the ball is thrown? That is the initial height. Maximum height here. The number of seconds it takes for the ball to reach the ground here. This is not 3. The number of seconds it takes for the ball to reach the height. This is the T1, okay? Not this one. Not this one. This one, okay? The number 2 is correct. All right, try number 16. Okay, you let me know, okay? Okay, go ahead, go ahead. When you come back here, okay, you let me know, okay? All right. All right, number 16. All right, 32 teams are participating in the basketball tournament. Okay, only the winning teams in which round advance to the next round is what? Getting down half, right? Yeah. So we have 32. First round, half of this one is removed. Divided by 2, right? Or times 1 half. 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 Last final is what? 1, right? That is champion. Okay? This is exponential, right? This is a geometric sequence. Geometric sequence create what? Exponential function, okay? Okay, that is exponential. Linear, same numbers. Distance is the same numbers. Common difference. This is what? Line, okay? Linear. Geometric, common ratio. This is we said common ratio, okay? That is exponential. Okay. All right, number 17. Oh, we got geometry right away. The first term is 4. I'm going to use different color. The first term is 4. That is, we said first term is 4. Looks like this. Common ratio is D. Use okay, negative 3. The fifth term of sequence. Fifth term is very close to the first term. You can use the first term is 4. Second term is minus 3. That is 1. Minus 3 again, minus 2, minus 3 again, minus 5. That's the way? No, this is geometric. Oh, that's wrong, right? We did what? Arithmetic. Geometry, the common ratio is negative 3, okay? You can try. A1 is 4, A2 is what? Negative 3 is negative 12, A3 is what? Negative 3 again, that is 36. A4 is negative 3 again, negative 108, A to the 5th power is negative 3 again, positive 324, right? That's the fifth terms. Or you can use, right, the formula we said, explicit formula, okay? N terms is what? First term times R times N minus 1. This is what N terms formula or explicit formula, okay? You better use this one. If they're asking you over here, not 5th term, 10th term, 15th term are large, all right? Larger number of terms, better use explicit formula, okay? A to the 5th power first term is what? 4 times negative 3, 5 minus 1 is 4, right? That is 4 times 81 equals 324, okay? All right, number 17. But this is literary equations. Formula, this is formula, right? We're going to express some special, specific variable in terms of other variables. But we're going to express what TF there, inside of it. Already take care of what? Part away from this TF. This one first. Take care of this one too at the same time. Divide, okay? Q over MC TF minus TI. This is the second one. How? Plus TI, right? So I'm going to write down TF first. TF is what? Q over MC plus TI, right? That's it. Where is the answer over here? TF is Q over MC plus TI, okay? Choice 2 is the answer. All right, number 19. When using method completing the square, that's steps. You have to use the steps. Which equation equivalent this one, okay? Complete the square is just step 1. Separate. Right, variable terms and constant term will be separate. X squared minus 2x equals 10. Now using this one, we're gonna make a squared form. Okay, take a look here. When you have this one, x minus 6 squared. When you expand this one, what you got? X squared minus 2 times 6 and times x is negative 12x plus negative 6 squared 36. This is equivalent. This is binomial, but that is a squared form. Perfect. I'm going to perfect. Perfect squared form. But this one is what? Perfect squared trinomial. Okay, because this one can replace with this one because they are equivalent. Okay, so this one is a perfect square trinomial. To replace with the squares, perfect squares, we're gonna find a perfect square trinomial. So we need some number over here. This is not enough to exchange this one. We need 36. How do I got 36 over here? 36 is a negative 6 squared is 36. How do I got negative 6? Half of this one. Negative 12 divided by 2 is negative 6. After that, make square. You got 36 over here. We need this one. Number, I'm going to use this one. Number 36 right there. Equivalent, same number. You can add this one. This is called what? Perfect square trinomial. Now this will replace with x minus 6, already half of this one, right? Second one is x minus 6 squared equals to 46. This process is called, what is that? Complete the square. From this complete the square, you can find the value of the solution for the x. What is it? Square root. So x minus 6 square root is what? Plus minus square root 46. After that, plus 6 there, the solution finally negative positive 6 and positive, we don't have to positive, just 6 plus minus square root 46. But we need to find this one, okay? X minus 6 equals to 46, okay? So choice 4 is we set complete the square, okay? Complete the square. Right, number 20 quadratic function has the smallest minimum value here. So you can use your calculator, it's okay too. Okay? Where is the minimum value? Minus 2 is not minimum value, okay? To find the minimum value, this is always looks like this one. This is the quadratic has a minimum value on this line over here, which is by x over symmetry. Or you can put this number in your calculator and find out the minimum value. That is the easiest way, okay? But I'm going to use, okay, x over symmetry because you don't have a calculator there. X of symmetry is what is that? Negative b over 2, right? So negative 5 over 2a, that is what, 12. This is a 5 over 12. You can put this number into the back over here, you'll get the minimum value over there. But in this case, better use your calculator, okay? So I'm going to use a calculator. Maybe because this is a little takes time, better use a calculator, okay? Just a few more minutes. Okay, I'm gonna use, okay, over here, my online calculator. This is what equals 6x squared. 6x squared and plus 5x and the minus 2. That's the graph. This is the minimum, right? This is not minimum. Negative 2 is not minimum. Negative 2 is y-intercept. This is the minimum, okay? Because what? This is not integer over here, right? Okay, yeah. So around the negative 3. That is the minimum. But this is okay too. This is already what? Vertex form. When x is 2, y equals negative 2. That is the minimum, right? At this time, where is the minimum? Over here. 6, 2, 0, 0 again, 2 over here. It's the minimum over here. 0, right? Maybe less than this one. Okay? Maybe 0, you can take this one. There is minimum over here. Also 0, okay? But in this case, this is what smallest minimum value, okay? Negative 3. So choice 1 is the answer, okay? Use your calculator. The next one, number 21. Yeah, we have a sequence defined recursive. Recursive formula we are already given by the first term or any other terms. Usually the first term is given by. And the next one is relation between two consecutive terms. And negative, looks like n is 5. If a is 5, negative 4 plus a to the 4, right? Between these two. From here, previous terms, when you add the negative 4, you get the next term. So common difference is negative 4. That's the meaning. Are you okay with this? All right. So this one is arithmetic sequence, right? Because this represents common difference is negative 4. So 3, after that, negative 4 is what? Negative 1, negative 4 is negative 5, negative 4 is negative 9, negative 4 is negative 13. Okay? Yeah, this is the answers. This is a positive 4, common difference is what? Negative 4, right? Or you can put this number 1 there. A2 can be obtained what? Negative 4 plus n is 2 over here, 2 minus 1 is 1, A1, right? A1 is 3. You'll get the negative 1. Second one is negative 1 over here, okay? All right. So actually, explicit form is what? An terms is what? First term is 3 plus n minus 1 times common difference is a negative 4, right? So this will look like this one. Minus 4n plus 4. So 7 minus 4n. This is an, okay? This is called the explicit formula, okay? but there's no form like this. Okay, this one, or an equals 7 minus 4n, that will be the answer. Okay. Alright, number 22. The zeros of function are negative 3, 0. This zeros is where x-intercept. When you have x-intercept is what? They're going to have a factor of x plus 3. 0 means y, x, 4 is y, x minus 4, right? They create the factors like this. Okay? So, choice 3 is the answer. Alright, number 23. Okay, Morgan read that snail moves about 72 feet per day. He performs the calculation. Okay, that is what we said. Unit conversion ratio. Okay, unit conversion method. Okay, can you see that over here? But you gotta be careful. If 1 day over here, the day is opposite side. Hour over here, hour is opposite side. 12 over here, 1 foot over here, put over opposite side. They're going to be cancelled out. Okay, I'm going to put is cancelled out. Day is cancelled out. Hours is cancelled out. What do you got? 72 times 1 times 1 times 12. That's only inches, right? Now denominator take 1 times 12 times 1 times 12 times 24 times 60 times 1 and minute. It's okay? But that's when you find only the unit of it, right? Inches over minute, okay? Inches over minute is a final unit, okay? This we set the converting ratio, okay? All right, number 24. This is multiple choice last questions, okay? Alright, during summer vacations, Ben decided to sell hot dogs and pretzels on a food cart in Manhattan. It cost Ben 0.5 each hot dog, 40 cents pretzel. He has only $100 to spend on each day on hot dog and pretzel altogether. Total amount will be maximum is $100. Okay, he wants to sell at least 200 items. Altogether, number of hot dogs and the number of pretzels, it should be 200. So hot dog and the pretzel should be less than or equals 200. No, at least is greater than or equal. Okay, minimum is 200. So greater than or equals 200. That's the one of the first system of equations. The next one will be, he has only 100 to, okay? He has only 100 to spend on each day. So cost, take it out. The total cost is how much? Total cost is how much? Hot dog is what? 50 cents times hot dog number of eggs. That is the cost, right, to make hot dog, 0.5 each. And pretzel is what? 0.4 and pretzel. But his cost maximum is $100. It should be less than or equals to 100. 100, right? So we have this is we set system of equations. Okay. So which one is equal to this one? Only first one is over here, right? Second term is what 200. This is fine. They're asking you about that is what number of items must be, greater than 200, but this is about 200, 0.5 each, not 200, right? This is less than 200, but this is not less than, okay? If they have this one, this is will be the answer, but they have this one only, okay? So choice 2 is the answer, okay? Okay, part 2, maybe we continue next time. Okay, yeah, because I have another class, okay, after this. Sorry about that, okay? So you can try, okay, if you have time, 25 to the last one, I think 37 questions there, okay? So I'm gonna send out this work to your email, okay? You can review this one. Yeah, 37 is the last questions, okay? I'm gonna save this one and send out to you, okay? All right. So if you have any questions, you email to me, okay? So I'll see you next time, okay? Thank you so much.